In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Remitly Transfer Completed but not received. So in order to fix this particular problem, you can head over first, and I have in here this article that should be able to help us. So onto this article, they have in here the same user that has the same problem as us. They're supposed to receive money through Remitly, but it doesn't show up on the account. So the transfer is completed but not received. So what we can do is, if you're waiting for the Remitly transfer, you can check the progress of the transfer first. You, you just head over to the transfer history of the one who sent the payment and then see if the transaction is marked delivered or in progress. If the status says delivered but the money isn't in your account, you can check with your bank or other financial institution. Process times can be varied, and it may take banks longer to post foreign transfer as well. Make sure that your account doesn't have any holds or problems that could cause the deposit to be late. Now, if the state of the transfer is in progress, or if your bank doesn't see the deposit, you can get help from Remitly's customer service. Just head over and give them a reference number. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.